Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up inspection schedules in the vehicle inspection module. Instead of waiting until something goes wrong, inspection schedules let you plan ahead, making sure every vehicle gets checked at the right time by the right person. Think of it as putting your inspections on autopilot. Let's get started. From the vehicle inspection menu on the left side panel, click on Inspection Schedules. This opens up a list of all the schedules that have already been created, so you always have a clear picture of what's coming up and what's been planned. Now, to add a new schedule, click the Add button. Now let's create a new schedule. The first thing to set is the schedule date. This is the date you want the inspection to take place. Click on the Schedule Date field to open the date picker. Pick the day the inspection is planned for. In this example, we're going with the 20th. Make sure you're selecting the correct month and year too, especially if you're planning ahead for future inspections. Next, set the status of this schedule. Choose from the status options to indicate that this inspection has been planned and is confirmed to go ahead. This status helps your team know exactly where each scheduled inspection stands, whether it's upcoming, in progress, or completed. Now choose the type of inspection that will be carried out. We're selecting routine inspection here, which is your standard periodic check. Multiple inspection types can be created, so you can be specific depending on what the vehicle needs, whether it's routine, compliance-based, or something else entirely. This is an important one. Click on the Inspector field and select the person responsible for carrying out this inspection. In this example, we're assigning Davis Christopher. Assigning a specific inspector creates accountability and makes it easy to follow up if needed. Once everything looks good, the date, status, inspection type, and inspector are all filled in. Click the Create button. Your new inspection schedule is now saved in the system and will appear in the Schedules list. And that's how you set up an inspection schedule for Vehicle Inspection Management System. With this in place, you and your team always knows what's coming up, who's responsible, and what type of inspection needs to be done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.